It's time once again for my favorite video of the month, so stay tuned till the end to see how much I made in dividends for the month. What is going on, everybody? My name is Christian Robert. On this channel we talk stocks, personal finance, and wealth building. And if you follow the channel, then you already know it's time to track my monthly dividends for the month of April. I believe this is the fifth month I'm doing this. I love making this video because it's the first time I get to sit down and really add everything up and see where I'm at. But as always, make sure if you haven't already, you subscribe to the channel and like the video. It would mean a lot to me. But let's jump right into this. Now, to start the month off, I made $6.61 from Pepsi. Now, to start off, I gotta say this is a little disappointing to me because to me, Pepsi is like a top 5 holding, and it is really undersized for this portfolio. I only have like 7 or 8 shares, I believe. And so I really need to focus on building this position up soon. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. Next, we have $16.40 from Gain, which is Gladstone Commercial. This is one of the monthly real estate stocks. Then we have $10.40 from SPHD. This is the only ETF in the portfolio. It is high dividend, low volatility. Then we have $3.54 from HBAN, which is Huntington Bank. Next is Coca Cola, $4.07. Then one of the biggest dividends, $31.41 from Kimberly Clark. Love this company. Then 29 cents from Switch. $15.52 from APLE, which is Apple Hospitality. And finally, we have my favorite, $25.87 from Realty Income. Now, this was a very light month. Next month will be my big month. So you got to keep that into consideration. Not every month is going to be equal or the same as last. So, you got to take the highs and the lows and average them out, which I do. So if we add this month, I am at $166.35. For the year, we are at $732.68. Very happy with that. I really want to crack the $2,000 range. So I know I'm on track, and it should be getting bigger because I made some purchases in the last month. So even right here, you will see some major changes. I added 20 shares to so this will be in the $30 range from now on. And I added to, none are on this list, but I added to other stocks, and I also added a new real estate stock, which is AG&C. So that's an extra $5 or so a month. So last month I told you my monthly average was in the 170s, and a big goal for me this year was to crack the $200 for monthly averages. So now if you calculate it, I'm sitting at $183.17. And so I know after next month when we calculate it, I'll probably be in the 190s. So I'll be very close to having a $200 or more monthly average. So I'm very excited for that. That's where I want to be. And yeah, what else was I going to say? Some companies I have, they increased their dividends. Caterpillar increased their dividend by like 15% or something crazy. IBM increased their dividend by like 3 or 4%. What else? AG&C actually decreased their dividend from 18 cents a month to 16 cents, but I actually added after the fact, so I got it at a bit of a discounted price. So that was to be expected. But yeah, comment down below what you guys think. Do you own any of these stocks, or do you want to know more about some of these stocks? I could do a separate video on it. But as always, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. Make sure you comment down below because I love to hear your feedback and I respond to everybody. And I will see you guys in the next one.